Facebook notifications help users stay updated with messages, comments, friend requests, and account activity. But sometimes notifications suddenly stop working on phones, tablets, or computers, which can become frustrating and confusing. The good news is that most Facebook notification problems can be fixed with a few settings changes and troubleshooting steps. So in this full guide, I'll show you how to fix Facebook notifications not working on US devices step by step in 2026. Before changing settings, make sure your device has a stable internet connection because weak Wi-Fi or mobile data can delay notifications. Close the Facebook app completely and reopen it. Temporary app glitches can sometimes stop notifications from updating correctly. On mobile devices, background app refresh allows Facebook to receive updates and notifications while running in the background. And that's your full guide on how to fix Facebook notifications not working on US devices in 2026. Hopefully now you have a clearer understanding of how to restore notifications and keep Facebook alerts working properly.